Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams. This is Case or No Case, and that is my friend, Jeff Pitman. He's an attorney at PKSD Law Firm. How's it going, Jeff?
I'm doing great. Spring's in the air, and PKSD is going to have some short sleeve case or no case t-shirts. So come to the webpage, Facebook, and we'll get one out to you. So you ready for your case?
Let's get to it.
Okay, you're driving down the road, minding your own business, and a garbage truck pulls out and hits your car. You stop, there's some damage to your vehicle, but you don't feel hurt. You talk to the driver. He says, "Yeah, I'm sorry. I pulled out. It's my fault." You get the information from them as far as insurance. You go home. The next morning, you wake up and your neck really hurts. So, case or no case, since you didn't call the police at the scene of the accident.
I really don't know, but I'm going to guess and say there is a case.
Yeah, there's a case because the other driver pulled out and hit you. But here's the thing: if you don't call the police, stories change. And so you want to get the police there and get statements at the time of the accident versus giving them time to think about it.
Well, thank you for that information, Jeff. They do have a proven record of success. If you'd like to know if you have a case or no case, dial the threes, 333 3333 for the PKSD guarantee.